we have to perform the indicated operations and simplify. So first, when we have example something like this, we have to go inside to our fraction. The smaller fractions, small operation we have to do is 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So this is equal to. And now we see that we have 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 is 1/2. Maybe let me rewrite from the beginning. So this is equal, this is the main fraction bar. So we have 1 plus 1 over, and we have 1 minus 1 over, and now we have in denominator 1 plus, and we have again 1 over 1 minus 1 over, and we have 1 plus 1 over. 1 plus 1, like I said, is 2. So now again we have to go to inside, and 1 plus 1 over 2, this is equal 3 over 2. So again we have to start from the beginning. We have 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over 1 minus, we have 1 over 3 over 2. We have 1 divided by 3 over 2. So 1 divided by 3 over 2, let me write this here. We have 1 divided by 3 over 2. How we do this? We have to copy first number 1. We change division to multiplication because we have fraction, and we have to flip the second fraction. So this is equal. This is 2 over 3. 1 times 2 over 3 is 2 over 3. So 1 over 3 over 2, this is equal 2 over 3. And now let me copy from the beginning. We have 1 plus 1 over 1 minus 1 over 1 plus 1 over, we have 1 minus 2 over 3. 1 minus 2 over 3 is 1/3. So this is equal 1/3. Why? Because we have to change, we have 1 minus 2/3. So 1 we can change that this is 3 over 3 minus 2 over 3. So we have the same denominator. We copy the denominator and we have to subtract numerator. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So this is 1/3. So now we have here in the denominator 1 over 1/3. So this is equal 1 divided by 1/3. So we have to copy 1, change division to multiplication, and next we have to flip the second fraction. So we have 3 over 1. So this is equal 1 times 3 over 1 is 3. So now 1 divided by 1/3, this fraction has value 3. So now let's start from the beginning. This is equal 1 plus, we have to copy 1 over 1 minus 1, and we have 1 plus, this whole fraction is equal 3. So this is equal, we have 1 plus 1 over, and we have 1 minus 1 plus 3 is 4. So we have 1 minus 1/4. So this is equal 1 plus 1 over 3 over 4, of course. So this is equal 1 plus, we have 1, this is fraction bar, it means we have division, by 3 over 4. So this is equal, we have to copy 1, because first we have to do division, next addition. So we have 1 plus, and now we can always change 1 to fraction, but 1 over 1 is still 1, so I didn't do this. So we just copy 1, and division we change now to multiplication, and we have to flip 3 over 4, so it will be 4 over 3. So this is equal 1 plus 1 times 4 over 3 is 4 over 3. And now we have 1 plus 4 over 3. So this is improper fraction, so we can change to mixed number. So this is 1 plus 1 and 1/3. So this is equal 1 plus 1 is 2, and we have to add 1/3. This is my solution.